Good morning, live weather blog meteorologist Bob Acanfrio here with today's tropical update for Monday, July 26, 2010. Tropics remain nice and quiet today. Nice little lull in the activity. So what are we looking at here on the satellite map here? This is the wide view. We see upper level low here in the Gulf of Mexico. This will not develop tropically. Remnants of Bonnie right in this area here. And then we see a little activity, a little weak trough here extending from this upper low, but we're not going to get any activity up here in the Northwest Caribbean with this upper level low in this position here. We're looking in the Southwest Caribbean, no circulation in this area at the moment, and this will spread into Central America today. Then you can see this wide expanse of just no clouds, nothing here. Big, strong, high pressure in this area, sinking pretty far south for this time of year. And this is really capping any of the activity here. We have a weak tropical wave here, but that's not going to develop anytime soon as well. Looking over to the water vapor loop, and you can see again all this dry air right here. You can see strong high pressure sinking down into this area. So this is just going to put a cap on any activity most of the week, actually all week. Nothing in this area here. A little more moisture again in the Western Caribbean here. We'll have to watch down in the Southwest Caribbean. I'll show you the no-gaps model here. Wants to develop a system here this weekend, but that model's been spinning up systems here in the Southwest Caribbean like all season, so doubt that's going to happen, but we still want to watch in this area here. And as we move on, you can see the no-gaps model right here developing a tropical system here by the weekend. And we look off to the Euro model, and this is for this coming weekend as well. We could see possible, want to watch this front off the East Coast here this weekend. Might see something try to spin up out here. Water temperatures are pretty warm, above normal for this time of year. So we want to watch that. You never know. Sometimes we get a little sneaky development out here this time of year with frontal systems. And the good news is we see the East Coast looking like we're going to get a little break from the heat, which will be a nice break for them after a very hot June and all of July right now, way above normal. So a little break in the heat for the end of this week and into the weekend. So enjoy that while it lasts. And you can see still strong Azore Bermuda high out here, sinking pretty far south. And then we'll watch the extended forecast here for the Euro. We'll click this ahead, and this is for Wednesday, August 4th, valid for then. Again, strong Azore Bermuda high and building again pretty far south. So it looks like really the cap is going to be on activity for this week and probably for the first week of August. We have the MJO kind of taking a little break for next week or two in our region here. So don't really see some nice little quiet times here the next week or two. And as we look to the MJO here now, I know some people are looking at this map saying, what the heck is this? It is a little confusing for the layperson, but this kind of shows you where the MJO has gone for July here. You look at this little loop. This is our area of the world right here. And you can see it's now down in this area in octant 3. It's going to scooch in, and this is the forecast model. See it, last season it was basically hanging out in 5, 6, and 7 in Western Pacific here with El Nino. So you saw that we didn't really get that good MJO upward motion, and you saw what happened last season. This season, it looks like it doesn't want to come all the way out in this area due to El Nino. So it's going to come right back to us. So that's why I said probably by, and a lot of times when it does move into octant 4 here, cool down along the East Coast occurs a lot of times, and we're going to be seeing that in the next, by the end of the week. It'll be in this section here, and then it's going to come back to us here. So that's why I'm thinking, looks like this season's going to be just right on climatology for when things are going to kick off. Probably the second week of August, we could really see a big uptick in activity, and we could have a very busy, probably a real busy August 15th all the way through October. It looks like we're really going to be pretty busy. So hang tight, folks. Please don't let your guard down. The season's not over by any means. Things will heat up. This is a good time to check all your hurricane preparations, make sure everything's in order. That's it for today. Stay tuned to liveweatherblogs.com for all your latest weather information and any severe weather that may be happening today. Also, a lot of blogs about the heat going on across the east and southeast as well. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.